Do you hear it in the distance? Is it rumbling? It's getting closer. The bull run. Could it be that it is finally here? I'm getting tired, honestly, of repeating it, but it is here. And all the signs are out there. The planets have aligned. Libra is now entering the 7th quadrant of the Sagittarius plane. But more importantly, traffic on Lamborghini.com is way up. How many more signs do you need? Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to show you your past, present, and future as we look at the last bull run compared to what's coming. But remember, those who don't learn from the past are doomed to repeat it again in the future. Let's get it. Vimeo is the world's leading professional video platform. With easy-to-use tools, you can create high-quality videos unlike any you've ever seen before. Vimeo allows users to upload in stunning 4K ultra high definition. This isn't your grandma's video site. Learn more at vimeo.com. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto, the hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto or connect with me and the Bit Squad. Also, I'm giving away a whole Bitcoin, 2 Ethereum, and 2 Litecoin at the end of September. To take part in that giveaway, please visit 1btc.bitboy.live for details. Only subscribers are eligible, of course. All right, guys, gather around for a story of bravery, challenges, speculation, regret, and big wins. Our story begins in 2016 when blockchain and cryptocurrencies were still pretty unknown to the general public, and only the true scholars and wizards of the land knew the secrets. Back in April of that year, Bitcoin's value was around $450, while Ethereum's was moving closer to $10. Those are the times we all wish we could go back to take advantage of. Anyway, back in that April, BTC experienced a turbulent period for that time standards with changes of around $30 by the month after what we were calling a bull run. Oh, sweet. Summer children. They had no idea back then what an actual bull run was, a parabolic run, if you would. But they would come to find out soon enough. After the fade of this short-term bull run, or should I have called it a calf run, something important occurred as the total circulation of BTC dropped as investors decided to hodl for the time being. Interestingly enough, something we're seeing right now. With the reduction of the circulating supply, volatility decreased and BTC's value started rising gradually. It doesn't moon overnight. When looking at the graph for the period before the start of the biggest bull run BTC's ever seen, you might think 2016 was not a great year for BTC if you didn't pay attention to the numbers. But the fact is that Bitcoin's price started rising at such a rate that it passed from being at $400 in April to finishing the year at $1,000. This is an incredible growth that any cryptocurrency would be jealous of. Now, this increase in value was a result of investors' trust in BTC, and they were hodling their crypto. Now, why is all this relevant? Well, I'm very glad you asked, even though no one did. Back in May of this year, it was calculated that 60% of all Bitcoin supply had not moved in over 6 months, something that is pretty reminiscent of those events and the ones I just described to you. Well, since May, when this data was published, Bitcoin's value has increased by over $3,000, just as the value increased back then. This is the first lesson I have for you, little Billy. If most people are holding, you hold for your life and get ready. No selling during this time. Now, we move forward to 2017 in our story when our young hero, Bitcoin, had just reached the $1,000 milestone. The world was not ready for what was coming. BTC's price continues its upward trend, increasing in value in a steady manner and building over previous gains. But it faced some backlashes, like when in September of 2017, its price dropped from 4.7K to 3.1K as a lot of investors took the opportunity to make a quick profit, which proved to be a big mistake. The bull run had just started. Wall Street analysts and investors around the world were noticing Bitcoin and paying attention. BTC recovered from the drop in September. By early October, and the Mount Everest of Bitcoin graphs was about to be born. Just like all the kids that will be saturating maternity wards in about 4 months, if you know what I mean. Anyways, though, by then, ICOs were getting shut down left and right. Regulators were trying to tackle Bitcoin's very existence, and people talked about those crypto monies on the street, creating a delicious feedback loop of interest that just kept growing and growing and growing, just like college debt and inflation around the world. And suddenly, it exploded. Over the course of 2 months, Bitcoin's price quadrupled to reach what would be its all-time high in $19,665.39. But the normies, those dang normies, in the crypto world were taken by storm as mainstream media, professional investors, and your local deli clerk, and all your grandmas started jumping into the BTC wagon without even knowing what the heck a cryptocurrency was.
3 letters, invest!
Bitcoin was everywhere, crypto was everywhere, Ethereum was also growing, XRP was growing, and more ICOs and blockchain projects appeared from thin air. Just look at that almost perfect compliment in early December. Bitcoin marked and started the boom of the crypto space, and no one can ever take that away from it. Yes, Bitcoin maximalist, I'm giving you that one, but you can't be stuck in the past. While Bitcoin has marked trends for crypto, as most of us take Satoshis and BTC into consideration, the fact is that there were way more projects with big user bases and potential to start making their own trends. When Bitcoin's price corrected to around 4K by the end of 2018, most people thought that it was over for BTC, but it wasn't. We're at more than 12K again as it has crawled its way back up. The drop opened doors for new altcoins to appear and join in the game, as well as allowing investors to diversify their crypto portfolios and take advantage of the big opportunity of getting Bitcoin again at low prices. Everyone was able to take part in cryptos with the fall of the ICOs, Bitcoin's cheap price, and I say cheap, of course, compared to the all-time high. The price was still insanely large compared to 2 years earlier, and the booming of Ethereum and altcoin projects. Exchanges flourished as the bear market took over, just getting the fertile soil ready for now, and we've been telling you this on this channel for years now. Now, after this long bear market and the little calf runs we've experienced in the crypto market as a whole, Bitcoin is showing the same trends we saw from 2016 to late 2017 when it exploded. It's been happening for a while, and I have been telling you this was coming. You doubt, you hate, but yet it is truth. Ethereum is also skyrocketing as its new release keeps approaching. Chainlink keeps destroying all-time highs time after time. DeFi is booming. Blockchain is basically being adopted everywhere by every industry you can think of. The start is near, and I gotta tell you, I don't know if you can tell, I'm super excited about this. Okay, I had to take a chill pill and calm down. It's getting a little too antsy, okay? But here's the truth. There's not much time, and you should be ready or face a life of regret. If you miss this opportunity, despite all my warnings, I will follow you for all your life, ringing a bell and repeating shame until you are crying on the floor asking for forgiveness. You may see my face in your nightmares. Some of you may be your dreams. Really, guys, though, you don't want to miss this. Some price models, like the stock to flow forecast by Plan B, predicts that Bitcoin's value could reach an average price of $290,000 by the end of this bull run. Even if it's half that, what incredible feat. And why couldn't it be? I mean, think about it. If you had been told that BTC would go from $400 in early 2016 to 20K by the end of 2017, you would have called that person crazy. Most people did. So please, pretty please, be ready for this one and come and thank me in 4 years, as well as giving me part of your earnings, as I have things to pay for and children to pay tuition for one day. These pumps and dumps won't be enough for the price of education in the country, and the inflation will make my poor kids not be able to go to college. Just remember good old BitBoy when you're rich. But now it's your turn. How are you getting ready for this incoming bull run? Which projects are you betting your money on? How long do you expect it to run? Will you remember to share your gains with me once it's over? I'm just kidding. I don't need your money. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also don't forget to visit onebtc.bitboy.live to enter our full Bitcoin giveaway. We're giving away hundreds of thousands of dollars, really, if you think about it. It might just change your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.